Today, we're going to go over exactly how to set up your Jane online booking account, your online booking software, in order to minimize confusion when new patients or existing patients are going to book an appointment with you via your online booking software. The key here and what we're going to focus on is that free discovery call. If you're offering a free complimentary consultation or a free discovery call to new patients, ideally we have this separated out and we make it very easy for someone to book within our online booking software. As an example here, I'm going to show you Precision Chiropractic. You can see that her online booking software has her free discovery call separated out from her other appointments. You can see that we have a new patient complimentary consultation, and then we also have adult chiropractic appointments, pediatric chiropractic, etc. With this separation occurring in this way, it's very easy for someone who comes to this online booking site to see exactly where they need to start. On the contrary, if we were to not have this separated out accordingly, which is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today, all of these appointments would be underneath the same category, and someone would have to actually filter through the appointments to decide what to book. That can be really confusing, and honestly, for new people, it can kind of feel like too much and a little overwhelming. We want to make sure that we make everything easy for people when they come to our online booking site. So what I'm going to show you is exactly how to separate out the appointments as you see here on Precision Chiropractic's booking site. By the way, shout out to Precision Chiropractic, a fantastic chiropractic clinic in Bedford, New Hampshire. If you're local to there, I highly recommend them. So to start off, what we're going to do is we're going to go into our Jane online booking software and go to settings. Inside settings, we're going to scroll down to disciplines. Once you click on disciplines, we're going to do new discipline. This new discipline is going to be whatever field that you're in. I'm going to choose physical therapy. The name, I'm actually going to title this as free 15-minute discovery call. And then the professional title, you can choose physical therapist or free 15-minute discovery call, whatever you would like, but I would just choose this as professional title would be physical therapist, whatever you are. You can enter your description for this category here, and that is what's going to show right here. Okay, so it can be important to say if you're new here, go ahead and choose this one to book. Then I'm going to click Create Discipline. Now, the one thing I didn't say just now, I want you to make sure that this is checked as in display in online booking. That needs to be checked in order for this to work. So then next what we're going to do is we're going to go over into our treatments, classes, and groups. We're going to do new treatment, a one-on-one appointment, one participant, in person or online, depending on what you're doing. Discipline, we're going to choose free 15-minute discovery call. This will be a shared treatment. Inside the treatment name, we're going to title this free 15-minute consultation call. And then you can choose to put a description for the consult call here. And that will then show once we click this here. It'll be right on the side. Okay. If I scroll down, the treatment length, we're going to choose 15 minutes. And then if I want to block off 5 minutes afterward, the total scheduled length will be 20. I want to show it, it's $0, right? It's free. It'll be in my business. And then if I scroll down, we can choose the color that we want it to be. Make sure it is checked to display in online booking. And then display price in online booking pages. Amazing. And if I scroll down, we don't need any of this stuff. And then we'll click Create Treatment. Now, please make sure if you have a clinic that operates and uses tags and what have you, I'm not going into that in this video. I just want to show you how to create different disciplines for different appointments. So feel free to use those accordingly. From here, we need to go into our staff profile. So we're going to go to staff and then go to my name. And then inside my profile, I'm going to go to edit settings. From here, I'm going to go to disciplines and just make sure that free 15-minute discovery call is checked. So that way I am able to be booked for that specific discipline. And then I'm going to click save. Now, when I look at my online booking site, you can see that it's separated by coaching and free 15-minute discovery call. So now if someone wants to book coaching, they know exactly where to go. And if someone wants to book a free 15-minute discovery call, they know exactly where to go. Now let's talk about how to reorder these because we probably want our free 15-minute discovery call to be first. So let's go back over to JaneApp, and then inside our disciplines, all we need to do, so we'll go back, we'll go to disciplines. All we need to do is just drag this to be above that. And now if I refresh this, you can see it's 15-minute discovery call on top, coaching on the bottom.